This is Mykonos, but not as you know it. One of roots, traditions and family. We're here to live like locals, to cook, to share, to learn and to discover the real flavours of the island. Join us as we uncover the soul of Mykonos. This is not just a trip, this is living. Our krimidopita is in the oven. We've got some extra filo, so now we're going to make rafiolakia. Now, rafiolakia, sort of like dumplings,
Yes.
Or if you're from Crete, we could say little kalitsunia. And they're filled with tirovolia, which is the Mykonian cheese we put in our krimidopita. We're going to add some sugar, honey, cinnamon, and orange zest. My favorite flavors. Pame. We're putting our tirovolia. Would you like me to mix it? Break it apart. Gorgeous.
Some cinnamon. I like cinnamon.
Me too. Me too.
2-3 spoons of sugar. Some honey. Oops. Okay, now mix it. And oranges. Ready?
No.
I like the smell.
Me too. There is not one Greek sweet without, well there are, but most of the sweets, Greek sweets, they all have cinnamon and orange. Melomakarona,
Yes.
karidopita, όλα.
Hola. Right? Before we add the egg.
That's so beautiful. So we've just added the egg, mixing it through. So we've got our dough here. We're going to open it up and cut out our rafiolakia. We've got our little cutter here and we're just going to push it into the dough to make our beautiful little rafiolakia, our little circles. Let's see.
And we close it with our fingers.
Okay. So almost about half a teaspoon worth of the filling, maybe even a little less, straight into the middle.
You see?
Like so. And we close it.
Very well.
Yes. You can see our little rafiolakia here, perfect little bite sizes. Now these ones can be fried, but Irini is also going to show us how to make them in the shape for you to be able to bake them. Would you like to show us, Irini?
Yes. We add more cheese in the middle.
Some more cheese, yes.
This we call it tsibita.
Okay.
Tsibita because we pinch it.
Ah, yes.
Like that. Zack.
They remind me of lichnarakia from Crete. These are so beautiful. My favorites. And we can bake these ones.
Let's try our rafiolakia.
So we're using a neutral oil here. We're popping them straight into the oil, letting them fry for a few minutes on each side. Our rafiolakia are still warm, drizzling over with honey and finishing off with cinnamon. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. I can't wait. I'm going to try one, Irini. Wow. Creamy, orange, crispy, filo. Oh my goodness. Canela, tirovolia. I think might be one of my new favorite cheeses.